Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of wire alloys and packaging. From stainless steel to nickel alloys, these materials play a crucial role in various industries, offering unique properties for different applications. In each application, while choosing the correct alloy is important, choosing the correct wire packaging is a close second. The correct packaging should complement your machinery and align with your application requirements. Chosen correctly, this can drastically save production time and reduce waste. In this video, we'll first explore a selection of available wire alloys and their basic characteristics. Then, we'll guide you through the selection of available packaging options. Let's begin by roughly defining a wire alloy. Wire alloys combine two or more metallic elements to create a new material with distinct properties, with the goal of enhancing the characteristics of individual metals to make them more suitable for specific applications. Wire alloys are crucial for optimizing the performance, safety, and lifespan of their applications. Without the right electrical conductivity, mechanical strength, corrosion resistance, or temperature stability, the overall application's performance may suffer. Most of our wire alloys are cold worked, which means the wire is shaped at room temperature or below, without the use of heat. One of the processes which we use is wire drawing. In wire drawing, a larger diameter wire is pulled through successive dies, each decreasing the wire diameter. Depending on the desired diameter, the drawing process may have to be repeated, using increasingly smaller dies, which produce a smaller diameter of wire. Here at Gerard Daniel, we provide a number of standard diameters of wire, ranging from a 1/16 inch to a 1/2 inch. However, unlike other wire manufacturers and distributors, we can also provide many custom diameters for your larger projects. Another process which we use on certain wire alloys is annealing. Annealing is when the wire is heated to a temperature which relieves stress, in turn softening it. Gerard Daniel provides an extensive selection of standard stocked alloys for various applications. When discussing standard alloys, we're talking about stainless steel and nickel alloys. We'll first discuss stainless steel alloys, which are recognized for their durability, resistance to rust and corrosion, and versatility. Let's take a closer look at some of the stainless steel alloys we offer. These wire alloys are commonly used in electrical wiring, wire mesh, springs, cables, and fasteners. Nickel alloys, while generally more expensive, provide exceptional corrosion resistance in a wide range of environments. However, they may not be suitable for use in sulfurous conditions. Let's explore some of the standard nickel alloys available in our lineup. Nickel alloy wire is commonly employed in petrochemical and heat treating applications, ranging from heat exchangers, chemical processing, conventional power generation, pulp and paper industry, aerospace, nuclear power generation, and furnace components. Since we draw wire domestically, in-house, we're not limited like other manufacturers. While we do stock a large inventory of wire, we can also provide custom wire alloys made to order to ensure they meet your specifications. While step 1 is choosing the correct alloy and size of wire, step 2 is choosing the correct packaging. Wire packaging is integral in helping you save production time and reducing waste. The ideal packaging complements your process and aligns with your specific application requirements, allowing your production line to run smoothly and ensure your application is adequately supported. At Gerard Daniel, we offer a variety of wire packaging options to meet your needs, made from high-quality materials to ensure the best results. The standard options are coiled wire, shaped wire, straight and cut wire, spooled wire, and Handi Can Wire. As you can see here, coiled wire packaging involves wire that's wound or twisted into a spiral or helical shape. Larger wire quantities are typically packaged in a 16-inch to 30-inch ID that's shipped on wire stands. Smaller wire quantities can be shipped as loose coil. Shaped wire packaging uses wire that's designed to have specific geometries or profiles that deviate from a circular shape. Gerard Daniel offers wire shaped in squares and hexes. You can get shaped wire in 16-inch to 30-inch inner diameter coils that are packaged on wire stands. Straight and cut wire packaging includes wire that's cut into uniform lengths, which is essential for applications that require consistent wire sizes. While the majority of our straight and cut wire orders call for 12-foot lengths or less, we can cut up to 20 feet in length. Straight and cut wire is also packaged as bundles of wires or in wooden boxes. Spooled wire packaging involves winding or wrapping wire around a spool or reel. Depending on your needs, you can get a small quarter-pound spool that has a 2-inch internal diameter, all the way up to a 500 quarter-pound reel. Since spooled wire is pre-measured and wound onto the spool in predetermined lengths, it reduces the need for additional cutting or processing, resulting in less drop and less scrap. Finally, Handi Can Wire packaging involves a small 2.5-inch coil wrapped inside a cardboard canister. You can pull the wire from the top center of the can for easy access. While we do offer all these different standard wire packaging options, our engineers can work with your teams directly to provide customized packaging designed around your applications and processes. In today's discussion, we've briefly explored wire alloys and their packaging, covering everything from the unique properties of these alloys to the various processing methods. With Gerard Daniel, you're not just getting standard solutions. You have the option for customized wire alloys and tailored packaging to meet your specific application's needs. At Gerard Daniel, we've been sourcing, drawing, and distributing wire for over 50 years. Our applications engineers are ready to collaborate with your teams to develop the most effective solutions for your specific needs. Reach out to us today to learn more about our products, capabilities, and customizable services.